Are you constantly waking up with a stiff, aching neck? That tight, locked up feeling where you can't turn your head to check your blind spot in the car? Or that nagging tension that starts to creep up from the base of your skull and turns into a headache in the late afternoon? If so, you've probably tried quite a few things already. You may have tried stretching it, turning it a bit side to side, maybe tried to get a nice massage, and it works for a second, and then by lunchtime, the pain is back. But here's the truth. If your neck pain is coming from weak, overworked muscles, which for most people, it probably is, then stretching and twisting that neck is always going to make it feel worse. Because all that does is pull on muscles that are already irritated and are holding on tight to protect you. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple exercises that get to the root cause of neck pain. And the third one is the exercise that many people skip, and it's honestly one of the reasons why neck pain often comes back. Hi, I'm Mike. I'm a chiropractor and a master's of science in exercise, and I help people get out of neck, hip, and low back pain. It's all I do. So let's get to the exercises. But first, here's a quick disclaimer. So for this first exercise, we are going to sit up nice and tall, and we're going to relax our shoulders. All right, now this movement that I'm going to show you here looks tiny, but it is very important in helping your neck muscles relax. We're going to gently nod our head like we're very slowly saying yes, and tucking the chin back just slightly like we're making a gentle double chin. We're making sure to not force it. We're not jamming it down. It's just a soft, controlled nod. You should feel the muscles deep in the front of your neck switch on, and that's exactly what we want. Then, after a couple of seconds, we relax back to the start. So we'll nod gently, hold for 3 to 5 seconds, and release. We can do this 8 to 10 times. And what this is doing is waking up the deep stabilizer muscles in the neck so that the big muscles on top can finally let go and relax. So take it nice and slow. And once we've done 8 to 10 exercises, we can move on to the second exercise. Great job. Now let's quickly talk about why these exercises work and what's going on in your neck when you often have neck tension. Deep in the front of your neck, you have small muscles whose whole job is to hold your head steady and stable. When we spend years looking down at phones, reading, and sitting hunched at a desk, those deep stabilizers get weak. And when they get weak, the big muscles on top, the ones across your shoulders and the back of your neck, they have to take over and do a job they were never meant to do. So of course they tighten up, they overwork, and they start to squeeze and irritate the nerves running through them. And that's where the stiffness and sometimes the headaches come from. And here's the important part. When your neck feels somewhat unstable or it feels stressed out, it will tighten up the muscles to protect itself. So in the end, if we end up just stretching it, we're actually working against that protective mechanism that our body is using to make sure that we don't hurt ourselves more. So instead, we're going to gently incorporate movement, tell the body that our neck is safe to move, and wake up those deep stabilizer muscles so that they can work effectively. All right, so now that we've started waking those muscles up, we want to gently restore movement. So we're going to be sitting tall again, and we're going to slowly turn our head to look over one shoulder, but only as far as it moves comfortably. The moment we feel the first bit of resistance or tension, that's our stopping point. We don't want to push through it. So we'll go right up to the edge, and then we'll ease back to center. All right, then we'll slowly turn the other way. What we're doing here is we're gently reassuring the neck and the brain that it's safe to move, which over time lets the range open back up on its own. We're definitely not forcing flexibility, we're restoring it. So we can do this 8 to 10 times, nice and slow, each direction. If one side is tighter than the other, and for most people it is, that is completely normal. So once you've done those exercises, we can move on to the third exercise. Great job. All right, so here's the third exercise, the one most people skip, and the reason their neck pain often keeps coming back. Here's the thing, your neck sits right on top of your shoulder blades. If the muscles that hold those shoulder blades in place are weak, your neck ends up carrying all the load. So we're going to gently draw our shoulder blades down and back. Imagine you're sliding them into your back pockets. You're not shrugging up, but instead down and back. You should feel the muscles between your shoulder blades switch on. What you're gonna do is hold that for about 5 seconds, then relax. All right, so we're gonna do this 8 to 10 times. And what this does is it takes the load off your neck and helps your body rebuild your posture from the ground up. And honestly, this is the one that actually makes the relief stick in the long term. All right, so once you've done 8 to 10 exercises, we are all finished. Great job. So just a couple of quick cautions to go over as we go through these exercises. As we do these, if the pain in your neck starts to shoot down your arm, or you feel some numbness or pins and needles or tingling, or if you feel any dizziness or nausea, or you feel unsteady, or your balance starts to shift a bit, those are all very important signs that you should go see a trusted health professional in your area and seek care from them. This might mean that these exercises aren't the best fit for your situation, and so you should go see a trusted health professional local to you. All right, so now you've got 3 exercises to hopefully start getting your neck pain under control. And if this neck pain is also somewhat affecting your shoulders too, check out this video right here where I go over even more shoulder-specific exercises to help keep you moving pain-free for life. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and remember to always stay moving. Thanks.